Hi everyone, this is Akanksha and welcome to Life with Akanksha. How are you guys today? Hope everybody is feeling pretty and healthy, both mentally and physically. Look what I got. Anyways, if you have been following my channel, so you guys must know, and if you are chronically on the internet like me, then you also must know that AI video tools keep getting updated every few seconds, and there has been a surplus on the internet as of now. And Higgsfield has also launched Cinema Studio 2.0. Pretty cool, right? We'll see in this video how that works. Alright, so those of you who do not know what Higgsfield is, you can see one of my previous videos. I made a detailed video about that. If you want, I can also tag that video in the description. A little context before starting the actual how this works. Higgsfield focuses on AI video tools, creator tools, and they have been marketing it as a tool which creators can use pretty easily. And it has various tools. You can generate image, you can generate effects, XYZ. So instead of jumping between tools, you can do all of the work in one place. Cool, right? Now let's see how this works. I'll just share my screen with you guys so that it's easier for you to follow. I'm going to keep this simple. One character, night scene, strong lighting, no chaos. I'll just go ahead and type a prompt. So close up standing under light, la la la. If I'm also putting the prompt in the description if you guys want it. I've learned the hard way that simpler prompts usually generate cleaner results. Alright, so let's generate this. Okay, this actually looks pretty cinematic already. One upgrade here is 3D scene exploration. You can move through environment instead of regenerating blind. It's kind of like adjusting composition without restarting the whole process. Pretty cool. Now let's see if this falls apart if we animate it. Okay, let's generate it. That was pretty smooth. I did not expect that. TBH, I was expecting a failure. So, overall, Cinema 2.0 feels more structured than previous video generative tools. That is a one plus point, I guess. It's not magic, it's still AI, but the work seems more intense, I would like to say. I think that's a good word to put it. If you are exploring AI tools for making videos and cinematic studio type videos as such, I think this is a great tool for you to explore. And if you are just a beginner in AI, please don't engage because it will mess up your mind a little bit. I'll keep experimenting more on various tools, how to make money online, and about my life, and if I'm succeeding, if I'm not succeeding. If you guys want to follow me along on this journey, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Also follow me on Instagram. Also you guys can email me if you want to do a paid collaboration.